Hi guys, and welcome back to another nail video. This one I have never done something like this before, so I thought it'd be challenging and fun to do, and it really was. So as normal, I'll go through the items I'm going to be using today. NAIO's high speed acrylic liquid, natural beige nail bed, clear, metallic white and Aztec copper. And I'm using this one of SARA's. Oh my god, this is gorgeous. These are like, they're not like normal mylar, they're quite thick and they sort of go on like a jigsaw puzzle. It's really fun to use. So because I'm putting them on just using clear acrylic and then putting this on top, I've put some in this little jar so it's easier for me to get at. Okay, so I don't know whether you can see these, but I'll put some marks on the nail there, and I'm going to drill a hole in all of these. And I'm going to be doing that using this little kit here, just like one of the really thin ones. You can get this kit off eBay, it's really quite cheap. So I'm using my electric drill for this, with a really pointy drill bit on top. So now I'm just getting the clear and encapsulating the nail. So with my thumbnail, I'm just going to cover the nail in the metallic white and trying to avoid the holes. So I've got one of these little drill bits, so I'm just going to dip it in clear and then go back and make the hole. Seems to be the easiest thing to do near the end of the nail. And I'm just going to do that in all of them. So now the fun part, I try to encapsulate. So now my nails are filed and buffed, I'm just going to put some dots around some of the smile lines, and for that I am using this titanium white acrylic paint and 3 different heads of dotting tools. So now that's dry, I'm just going to top coat my nails with NAIO's Mega Gloss Gel Seal and cure in the LED lamp for about 60 seconds. So now what you see that I'm doing, I'm just going to make a few bits of my own nail art. But the girl who gave me some of these nail forms to try, her name's Danny, also gave me some extra bits of nail art. And in the nail art there is a bow, and it definitely looks homemade. So I'm using that bow, and I'm going to use acrylic to apply it to the chain, and I'm going to use it to put it through the holes, and I'm going to use acrylic and attach it to the back of my nail, and then I'm going to put the acrylic at the bottom of the chain so I can stick the little bow on. Then what I'm going to show you next is how I made this little nail art here, is by using crystals and putting acrylic in between. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. I really hoped you enjoyed this different thing what I tried this time, with making some holes in my nails and putting some chain through. I want to thank Danny for the little bows, because they are just so cute, and just another way of making yourself some nail art. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!